Good morning. This is the trailhead for Novel Nobe Old Lookout site. And behind us there, through the burned old forest fire, you can see a little bit of Mount Rainier. But today is a special day, as well as being July 4th, because this young lady has a birthday today.
Yay!
So what are you looking forward to, Linda?
Well, I'm already excited that the mountain is out, that it's a beautiful day, and that you're going to hike along with us. So I'm excited.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
And right here near the trailhead are some beautiful small flowered pinstemon, I believe.
Here we just came across a bracted lousewort.
Hey, we're looking across at another old lookout site. That's Kelly Butte.
Here is the tiger lily. I'm so excited. It's a flower I wanted to see today and was one of my dad's favorites.
Ah, this is the beautiful bear grass. Ah, these are Mertensi's bluebells, we think. Yeah, I think these are subalpine daisies, or maybe asters. I get those two confused. Aren't they pretty?
We just came upon our first magenta paintbrush. So beautiful.
Just a mile to go. Almost there.
Here's a group of the newest, brightest phlox that we've seen. Almost there, Joe. Oh, I can really see the knob now. Oh, yeah, this is nice.
She's on top of the world.
Yeah. Oh, what a beautiful hike. There's Rainier.
Okay, so here's panorama starting with good old Mount Rainier there. And then coming around, there's Norse Peak through there. And coming a little further around here, now looking more north. In the distance is Mount Stewart, the enchantments. And then over here we can see the Three Sisters, Mount Index, and Mount Daniel. Beautiful, beautiful day up here.